Top 5 Freelancing Website. Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be talking about the top 5 freelancing websites for YouTube Shorts. If you're looking to make money creating YouTube Shorts, these websites are a great place to start. Fiverr is one of the most popular freelancing websites out there. You can find gigs for just about anything on Fiverr, including creating YouTube Shorts. Prices on Fiverr start at just $5. So it's a great place to start if you're just getting started. Upwork is another popular freelancing website. It's a bit more competitive than Fiverr, but you can find higher-paying gigs on Upwork. Upwork also has a lot of features that make it easy to find and manage clients, so it's a great option for more experienced freelancers. Freelancer is another great option for finding freelancing gigs. It's similar to Upwork in terms of features and competition. Freelancer also has a lot of resources for freelancers, such as articles, tutorials, and webinars.